Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this tutorial, we are going to know exactly how we can update our eBay accounts. Now, updating an account is a very big word that means a lot of things. So we will cover a lot of things in a short time. So let's get started. Now, updating could be meaning a lot of things depending if you are a buyer or a seller. For a sellers, for example, it could mean that you are going to update your sold items. So what you have to do is basically go to sold and try to first analyze the market and see if there is anything that could work out. For example, if you had a lot of listed items, but only two of them that are working for you, then of course you have to update your listings by having either a better SEO for those products that doesn't work or to scale more those products that work for you. So this is something that you could update on your account. Other things that could be updated are basically your payments. In case you were going to change your payment method or something like that, you could update them through here, through the payments informations. And in general, you could also update your personal information by going to personal information. As long as your account has the accessibility to the personal information category, in my case, I don't have it. It works in some countries doesn't. So it really depends on your country. I think Croatia and Morocco doesn't work for them, but half of the countries doesn't work for. So it really does take a while for eBay to actually get access to every single country, and basically they ban the country with the most like kind of like scammers or something like that. And yeah, so if your country like you were using a lot of dropshipping, you will not be able to get the access to your personal information category, where you can find and update your phone number, email address, and user ID in my eBay. So it's really depending on your country that you are from. In my case, I will not be able. As you can see, they took me back to the home page. So yeah, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.